Today we're making spaghetti aglio e olio, a classic Italian pasta dish that's simple, quick, and full of flavor. The ingredients are listed in the description below. Ingredients: 8 ounces spaghetti, 1/4 cup olive oil, for cloves garlic, thinly sliced, 1/2 teaspoon red pepper flakes, salt to taste, fresh parsley, chopped, Parmesan cheese optional. Step 1. Cook the spaghetti in salted boiling water until al dente. Save a little pasta water before draining. Step 2. Heat olive oil in a pan and add the garlic. Cook gently until golden, not burnt, just golden and fragrant. Step 3. Sprinkle in the red pepper flakes and give it a stir. The oil should be full of flavor now. Step 4. Add the drained spaghetti straight to the pan. Toss it in the garlicky oil, adding a splash of pasta water if it needs extra silkiness. Step 5. Finish with fresh parsley and, if you like, a sprinkle of Parmesan. And that's it, spaghetti aglio e olio. A pasta so simple, yet so good, it tastes like it came straight from Italy.